A1 Plumbing in North Park, 31st Street, sewer camera inspection. Yeah, what's going on?
Hey, not much. How you doing?
Good, and you?
Not bad.
Yeah, I think you have multiple problems, dude. You got a belly over here. Look here.
As soon as you go inside, there's something happens.
Yeah, come have a look here. Look here. Okay, so here's the end. That's the end of the belly. Let's go mark it.
Yeah.
That's the end of the one. That's just
it?
one problem. That's the end of a belly.
That's not what's clogging it up, though.
No, that's one problem. Let's go find this.
Hey, look what I want you to use.
Uh,
Copper wire, man. How far?
20 feet.
Oh, shoot. Where the hell it's going?
Yeah, you're right. It's coming back. Coming this way, you're right.
I think they're all in the north part. And we'll walk around and see what we got over here.
Hey, Todd. Come here.
That was what the guy did at Pete's house.
Way the hell out there?
The end of the belly's here.
There's one right there?
Yeah. This is the end of the belly.
Let's mark it. It's coming this direction, huh?
Yeah. This is the end of the belly.
First coming out of the water.
2 feet down. So that's the end. You want to mark the
I
beginning?
wonder where that one ties in somewhere
Okay,
over
so
there.
that's the end of the belly. Now let's go to the beginning of it.
Backwards. You recording?
Yeah. Okay, here's the beginning.
ABS pipe there, right there, huh?
Yeah.
Where you at?
That's the beginning of the belly.
How far out you?
Don't know.
Says 15 feet. Where's that going? Pipe's coming out here for the kitchen sink. A foot deep? 1 foot. There's
1
2
foot 8
feet there?
inches. Yeah. 1 foot 8.
1.5.
1/8. So that's the first problem.
I got 2 more feet. I want to see what that elbow, where is it coming over here? Over there. So I push it in 1 foot and it does something really weird. Nothing else tying in. We're looking for that house in
Yeah,
front.
it should to be tying in.
But do you see it?
Well, you'd have to run water wherever you.
I don't think they're
water.
home either. But we're not sure if they clogged
Okay,
up.
so here's a bend. I don't know.
Right here, huh?
I think they're home.
You got 2 feet out?
No, more, yeah, about
There's a
that.
bend there, let's mark it, I'll go see if they're home.
Is he gonna have to, dig down there, the landlord guy?
Don't know. Well, here, there's a couple problems here. It's probably not the main problem.
She's gonna have the bathroom sink on real slow for about 10 minutes. So we'll see if we can see her bathroom sink tying in. But this looks like somebody did some ABS work down here. You're seeing an elbow now. 90, a 45, and what?
There's some type of bend here.
Right about there, is an elbow?
Well, I mean, you got to look at it on the camera before you
Alright,
mark
but
it
there's
to see what
something
it
here.
is. Well, I mean, added some type of bend or something.
When I shove it in a foot and something happens.
Well, that's obviously what's happening. Have a
It
look
looks
on
like
the
it's
camera.
going that direction underneath her house, doesn't it?
No,
It's like there would be an elbow over there.
I don't know. Come have a look at the camera if you. So this is the.
Oh, yeah.
That's I'm gonna go there. There's her water running, so it's obviously.
That's
under
her
there.
water. Yeah, that's her bathroom sink. Go right there. So there's a T right there.
Yeah.
That's her water coming out.
After that elbow.
Yeah, so her bathroom's tying
Well,
in
no,
here.
after the elbow. After that.
But it's been backing up on her bathroom
Right.
because it's real
Right,
low.
Look there. See?
So that's
can
the
turn that
people
off
up
now.
front.
Right. They can turn off now.
Her toilet
It turns into clay, at the end of the belly. Here's one.
Oh, wow, that's
Yeah.
for sure clay, huh?
There's something there.
Oh,
Looks
man.
like a root. Not the
Snapshot?
main root, but it's a root.
That's right after that second mark there, huh?
No, it's way out.
Oh.
You want to mark it?
Hey, look on the way back. That's not going to be a cause of this problem. This thing's been caught. How's that? Where's shit? This clay pipe. Another thing growing through the
That's a
joints.
pretty big one.
Oh.
That's a pretty big one, huh?
Yeah. High definition sewer camera with roots in it. You can see where they grow into the
Wow,
joints.
look, dude, more.
Oh, there's usually only where joints are though, huh?
There's another big
Oh
one.
man, that could be a problem. That's 63 feet right there.
That might be the big one, huh?
But the bottom's right here. That's probably when we've been
That's the one that's
chopping through it.
Yeah.
That's what that is?
Everywhere there's a root, everywhere there's a joint where the tiles, that's where they come in, you see? They're growing into there.
Where is that?
We're gonna mark it off. It's somewhere.
Out that way?
Yeah, it's probably
Wow,
going
look,
underneath their
more,
house.
dude, more.
Everywhere there's a, oh, there's a big one. See the big one just laying
I
there?
don't know what that is.
Yeah, they grow in and then they lay along the bottom and they can grow to the size of my leg. Underwater. Holy crap, and we're, what if they got a, yeah, they must have a crawl space.
Yeah, I think there's a big one here, bro.
So we
This
gotta
is-
get underneath
Others
this.
might be not even the big ones. This is probably the big one.
75 feet, that's about where we're,
Yeah, that's the big one. Let's go mark it. Go get your shovel.
shovel?
Yeah.
What do you mean shovel?
Start digging.
With the backhoe. I think it's going under their house. You probably have to go into, oh.
If you need,
You go around the side.
Yeah, we go around that way.
She's home right now.
Well, I would hate to have to get underneath that house. Oh, here's another one here. You have to make the hole bigger and get under there.
Fucking pull the floor
pour out and draw into the ground.
God.
What's that? Yeah. Somebody's living here. I want to pass on. Still home. It's kind of weird. The sewers come out this way. You must join up over here and go out that way.
You know if someone walks by, they're going to steal their paint.
Okay, well,
I don't
let's
have another
pull it
can.
back 10
Just
feet.
telling you.
Pull it back 10 feet. It's got to be straight, right?
Huh?
Let's just make sure. Pull it back 10 feet, there's one more mark. Alright.
Yeah.
Is that one room on the end? That's not a garage anymore. Is that a room? That's part of your house?
No, that, someone else lives
Oh,
there.
that's a separate apartment. Who else lives there? Oh, but the garage, but the sewers go right underneath it. Can't get it there. You don't get it home, huh?
No.
So that's a separate studio. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, he's not home. works tomorrow. Oh, sure.
No, we,
You want a bigger head on the truck?
I don't know if I'd want to do that and get stuck like last time. But we were still in a warranty and he's going to pay extra, you know, I don't know, I just tell him to fix it. Son of a gun.
So wipe it off when you take it out.
So you're almost out of some water now.
This is the signal to turn off so you can see clearer.
It's all clay pipe, so we're underneath the lady's house right now.
So wipe it off when you take it out.
So that's, we're open there, open there. There's a big root. Oh, there's that one. That don't look too bad. I'm just pushing some stuff there. So this was at the
That was like 75 feet to get stuck. When it goes orange, it normally means you're in drama. See how it's orange there?
Uh-huh. And it won't go anymore.
It's stuck. Probably collapsed.
But the water's...
Massive root.
And that was a 75-foot mark. Wasn't that one 75 when you put that?
Yeah, that's where we marked it at the end. The one that
As far as it would go.
down. Yeah.
Oh, we punched through it. I thought went through it with the machine.
Doesn't matter. This is not a machine.
That's as far as you went, right there.
If you want to kink the camera, if you pay me $3.5 grand, if you kink
So
the
you
camera,
think we
I'll
can
push it through.
mark it one more time, make sure it's as far as we went?
Of course.
Yeah.
Put the signal on. Careful, not the yellow, red one. No. If you press that, the whole recording's gone. That's the
Signal.
And if you don't see those little lines going across the screen, it means your signal's not on.
On the bottom?
No, the whole screen.
Oh, it makes it fuzzy. Oh, you got the locator on. Put the power.
How many people do you think watch that video?
You put in the 25 feet in the driveway here, you put every root and all the roots.
I got some real big gnarly cutters,
That's what you need. But you need it close to the problem.
but now we still got a bunch of roots in and it's going to clog up like it's clogging up now.
No,
Let's flush your toilet, run some water, please.
Wait, did this get stuck in there the other day?
Huh?
The snake.
Not really, it's just hard to go through it. I can get it out.
Put in a big head on it.
Wasn't like
Put in a
yesterday.
big head.
Right now?
You got to try punch through. You got to give him services, dude. You need a big head. If it gets stuck, then it gets stuck. What are you going to do? You got to put it through.
Okay, he's got that recorded though on the end.
Make sure you wash it off good, please.
All we gotta
You
do
have
is
to
show
take a
him
chance.
that.
You have to take a chance.
All we gotta do is show him. How far away does he live?
Jason?
Yeah.
Landlord? Idaho.
No, he ain't coming over here.
No.
How do you? We're gonna have to put it on YouTube. Could you do it for me?
Yeah.
I have a problem putting it on YouTube, but you can see it. Look at that. Look at them roots growing through the joint. You wouldn't believe it if you didn't see it. But
you
those
can
ain't
turn-
even
you
the
can turn
worst.
that
Those.
water off. Yeah,
Turn off.
yeah.
I want to see what's gonna flow.
No, dude. You got to put it big head.
It's actually flowing though. Just a bunch of roots. It's a matter of time before it just clogs up.
Like
It's getting through
tomorrow
the mess.
again, dude.
But the camera won't push through, but the water will.
You're gonna have to put clean outs in on the driveway in the meantime. And
Who lives in that little studio?
Some guy who's out of town right now.
Oh,
So, do you, if you need to get in there, then
you got
no, you need to dig on the outside of it in the meantime. Just a temporary.
in between his house and the alley, or there's a little drive. That's where the worst part is.
dig away.
Yeah, I don't think he wants to do this every couple of weeks. And you're just gonna move in 3 more weeks.
I know.
I said, that ain't gonna last that long. Now we know why. We seen how bad it was. Then he's got the second problem here, which doesn't really clog up. The big problem is way out there. This will be a secondary problem.
And then there's roots in every joint.
Yeah, everywhere there's a joint.
Now there's a clean rag next to it. Do that.
That's good. The only thing I could figure is put in during the war, and they couldn't use any steel pipe because they didn't have any steel pipe to sell you. So they used all clay pipe. That's how old that sewer could be, huh? It's built in the 30s. This is probably the 20s or 30s. Right? They didn't have no steel cast iron for your sewer, so they just baked some clay in the oven. Now this is our belly. That's hard to believe. So we're like, you can almost see what's going uphill right there. Huh? That's uphill. So gotta go uphill. Oh, there's a tie-in right there. What?
Yeah.
Wonder who that is. Think we could have? Well, that's gotta be hers. It's right there. What else can it be?
You can tell it to run water.
Flush the toilet? Yeah, might as well make sure. We know where hers ties in.
Hello?
23 feet out. So that thing, the sewer's out there, so it actually has to do a 180-degree turn.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, just run it for a minute. Oh boy.
Might be at the front.
And now we know. That old clean out in the back is something, huh? That must be the old one. There's no way it's being used
The
now.
kitchen sink could be in the front, like you said.
Might be going out that way.
Mm.
Okay.
How about flushing the toilet for me, please?
I have 2 toilets.
Really?
Both of them.
They both close to each other?
No, one,
Oh, one's way back there, huh?
Just flush both of them.
that one barely gets used, but I'll do that one.
Yeah, the one back in the far corner?
Yeah, barely used that.
Oh, that's why that clean out's there, you see. She got 2 bathrooms. Ah, so they added a bathroom and it comes out here and the other bathroom went out that way. But we can't see it because there's too many roots to see a tie-in for that one. See, nothing's coming out of that one. Alright, let's flush the toilet you do use.
Go in a little bit forward so you can see. So,
That's not it. It's coming down this way.
no.
It's coming down this way, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So that ain't it, that's something else.
Maybe that's the cot too.
For that one there. That little studio.
What is this? Wait, what is this ABS? Dude?
That's coming out of her house, I think. Obviously. It must be the bathroom they added on. Now we're getting in this belly. How far is it? 5 feet? 21, 20, 19, 5 feet long a pipe is definitely underwater. Oh, more than that. 21 feet to 16 feet.
Unless the whole sewer's backing up again, dude.
Well, just that one section. So from 13 feet to 21 feet. That's at least 10 feet that has to be replaced. It has a belly in it. But that's a secondary problem. Alright. Well, you see I snake it out real quick and then we jam it in there again, huh? What do you think? Let's see, you want that big heavy duty sucker on there? to do with this lady yesterday, I would never put this one on there. Flush the toilet, please. Might be a waste of time. Make it worse. Want to stick it in there with it? Okey-dokey. Where we at? Talk off. 50.
Oh, 25.
Wow. See my sewer here. That's cool. Wow.
Still something wrong there.
Think can it get through there? What do you think? Pull it back, snake it some more, run some water, or what? Go a whole 100 feet and come back?
Go another. Go another 10 feet to the
71.
There, your cable's there still.
Where at? Oh, the cable's
I
there.
saw the cable, but I don't know if it's where the stoppage is, but I'm pretty sure it is.
Saw it though.
Huh?
You saw the
I
cable.
can't see it. Oh, I saw it back, but I can't see it. Obviously here you can't see it. Oh, there, I went through, dude.
Ooh, far out. We
Went
pushed through.
Yeah.
Well,
Now it's
that's
draining.
the city
Yeah, it's
sewer.
draining.
That's the city sewer, the plastic that they just put in.
No, it's dropping.
The
There's
green
city.
sewer, yeah.
There's the city.
I'm in it.
No?
Yeah, I just saw my
Oh, you
cable.
saw the cable. Hold on. So here's coming back.
There's my cable.
Here's a problem. So he's obviously got a major root intrusion,
Yeah.
which we'll see when the water's drained.
Uh-huh.
Once the water's drained, you'll see the problem. Let the water drain.
Yeah, it's way out there.
There it is. Look, it's a major root.
It's clay pipe right there. That's 74 feet. So we just cleared some of it. My sewer cable definitely made it out to the middle. So it went right through this conglomerate of stuff. But there's the city sewer they just put in, the white one. The white is a T, the white is a fitting, and the green is the city sewer, huh? The white would be the fitting, a T or whatever.
You got to see the junction actually in the city that it
Uh-huh.
goes in.
Well, usually the green is the pipe that's laying in the street, and then they use the white ones or PVC for your little
Bottom
elbow.
line is the major route.
Yeah, right to there. So we should replace it. All this clay pipe should be replaced.
Yeah, you can see the major route.
That's where your sewer's clogging up, way out in the alley. Flush the toilet, please. There's the big one, 73. Can we catch it before the alley? This is the big one. Yep, that's the big one. So let's go mark it right there, 73. That's where I want to dig and tell anyhow.
Where was that?
I think it's a little... Yeah, 75. Exactly, though. I want right there. That's why it clogs up. You see that big root? That's like the size of my little finger. It's growing through the pipe, and it'll just keep growing. Every time you flush your toilet, the root grows. But where the hell is it coming? It's like the... no trees. Cheers. Isn't that weird?
Yes.
I don't even see your toilet coming through. There it is. Very odd, but that's the big one that we're here for. This is why we're here. So we'll hit it one more time. Well, sometimes you put this on the end of the camera, keeps it up a little. Yeah. Okay. You didn't see a whole lot of toilet come through there, though, did you?
That went through.
So there's not much of it to, Oh, you want to turn the,
It's on.
and they're really sharp teeth on them. I guarantee they'll go. But that'll, I can only guarantee them for 6 months or so, huh?
Yeah.
With the cleanouts, if I put the cleanouts in, I can only
Well,
guarantee it's
temporary,
6,
dude.
9 months maybe.
It's all temporary.
In the goddamn alley.
All temporary.
Okay. Alright, that's what we gotta do. All the electricity, utilities in the alley, we're gonna dig right up to it.
Even here's a huge root.
And that's
It's 70 feet.
71 feet?
Yeah.
70 foot. That's almost under his house then. But I think we'll have to clear that with the big...
That's one by the door.
We'll have to clear that whole thing out with,
Huge thing, and it's just temporary.
well, at least it'll last, you won't have to come by every week and
Yeah.
shake it out. I'll just like to put it on YouTube under what name, look for you. You gonna search for Mark Dermick?
Yeah. A1 plumbing job. I'll put A1 plumbing job North Park as a search term.
This is 31st Street. What's his number?
I'll shoot you the link and then you can send it to him.